Hello students, how are you? So I am back with another video and you can see that this little squirrel is quite disturbed by his own shadow, and shadows is the main topic of our today's poem also, which is My Shadow. So let's start reading. But before we jump onto the poem, let's discuss about some facts regarding shadow formation. Like how is a shadow formed? A long time ago, people observed the way shadows were formed by the sun and utilized this principle in making the world's most primitive clocks, the sundials. Shadows are formed when an opaque object is placed in the path of light rays. Our shadow is longest in the early morning and in the late afternoon. In the afternoon, when the sun is directly above you, your shadow leaves your side for a little while. If the object is close to the light source, the shadow is large. If there are multiple light sources, there are multiple shadows. And below is a picture of sundial. So what happened in earlier times, like when there was no clock, so people, uh, how did they find out the time? Okay, they used the concept of the shadows. They observed it for a very long time that at what particular time of the day the shadows are longer, when they become short, and after observation of many days, I say years, they came to the conclusion about some uh, positions of the shadows at a particular point of time during a day. That ultimately led to the discovery of sundials, which were the clocks of that time. Nowadays, we have digital clock, analog clock, we have clocks in our mobile phone. So, when an opaque object is that object through which light cannot pass. Okay, like our hand, it's an opaque object, light cannot pass through our hand. So the shadow is longest during the early morning and in the late afternoon, or we say in the evening when the sun is about to set, and during the afternoon it's the shortest. Okay, so there's one question for you that you have to answer in the comments below. Where is the largest sundial located? You are able to see this picture on the left hand side corner. You have to tell that where is the largest sundial is located. So now let us read the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. One morning very early before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. By Robert Louis Stevenson. तो इस पोएम में एक बच्चे के बारे में बताया जा रहा है। एक बच्चा अपनी शैडो के बारे में बता रहा है कि वो क्या क्या ऑब्जर्व करता है अपनी शैडो के बारे में। उसे लगता है कि वो हमेशा उसके साथ ही चलती है उसकी शैडो, और उसे उसका कोई यूज भी समझ नहीं आता है कि क्यों वो उसके साथ साथ रहती है हमेशा। सर से लेके पैर तक वो बिल्कुल उसके जैसी ही दिखती है। जैसे ही वो बेड में जंप करने की कोशिश करता है, उससे पहले उसकी शैडो बेड पे जंप कर जाती है। शैडो जो है वो दिन भर में अलग अलग साइजेस की होती रहती है, कभी वो उससे बड़ी हो जाती है, कभी छोटी हो जाती है। कभी तो वो बॉल की तरह जंप करती है और कभी वो बहुत ही छोटी हो जाती है। एक दिन क्या हुआ कि वो सुबह जल्दी उठा और उसने देखा कि सनराइज हो चुका था और उसकी जो शैडो थी वो उसे कहीं नहीं दिखाई दी। मतलब सूरज निकलने से पहले, ओके, बिफोर द सन आई वॉज अप। तो उस टाइम सूरज नहीं निकला था, उससे पहले वो उठ गया था। और तब उसने देखा कि उसकी जो शैडो है वो तो बेड में ही रह गई। वो बाहर आया और उसने देखा कि शैडो उसके साथ नहीं है। उसे रियलाइज हुआ कि शैडो जो है वो घर में ही रह गई। तो इतना ही था इस पोएम में शैडो के बारे में। और जो क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा है उसको आप आंसर उसका कमेंट बॉक्स में करेंगे। Let us read some new words of the poem. First is India rubber ball, a ball that can bounce very high. आप रेड कलर की कॉस्को बॉल जो होती है यूजुअली जिससे हम खेलते हैं। बटरकप, अ येलो फ्लावर. एरेंट, बैड. एरेंट स्लीपी हेड, कंप्लीटली इनअटेंटिव, जिसका बिल्कुल भी ध्यान ना हो। So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.